Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Phanteks Revolt X, which is a fully modular power supply unit that can power up to 2 systems. Okay, so the box on the front, Revolt X 1000, fully modular. Turn it to the top. Revolt X, patented Phanteks technology, powered by Seasonic. And then on the sides, you're going to get all the relevant information like your specs. At the side, just the Phanteks logo. On the bottom, Phanteks Revolt X 1000 watts, powers 2 systems, so that's where they even also show you that this can power 2 systems. And turn it to the back, and you get a full list of what's included in the box. So 2 24-pin motherboards, 2 4+4-pin CPU, 1 8-pin CPU, 4X PCIe, 4 SATA, 1 Molex, power cable, things like that. So in English, supports dual system setup, higher efficiency levels for dual systems, premium Phanteks fan, hybrid fan control for low noise operation, cable-free internal connection design, reliable Japanese solid capacitors, fully modular cable design, micro-tolerance load regulation, gold-plated high current terminals, and multi-GPU system supported. There's 12 years of warranty, and this is 80 plus platinum. Now let's open up the box and take a look on the inside. On the inside is another box, and the top just says thank you for choosing Phanteks. Open this up, and you're straight up. You're going to see a plastic bag, and there are cable ties, the manual, more cable ties, and some screws. So I'm just going to put this to the side first. The Revolt X itself is wrapped up nicely in this cloth covering. So taking it out, you're going to see that it looks like any normal power supply that Phanteks have until you look at the back. Because this is where you can attach all of your different cables in. So you have your motherboard, CPU 1, CPU 2, and these are like for the system 1. And in system 2, you're going to have to peel back this covering, and then you can attach all of your cables in here. You have the power cable here. And then in this bag is where you're going to be getting all of your cables. And most of these are braided very nicely. There's a whole bunch of them. I'm not going to take out all of them, but if you want sleeved ones, obviously you can attach them to these, so things like from cable mod, something like that. So that's it for what's in the box. There's really nothing else. The Revolt X is going to be the power supply that will be powering the system build that I'm currently working on. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the only available power supply that can power 2 systems without any, say, external modifications or add-ons. You can actually really feel the weight behind this, but it is to be expected, and I'm looking forward to see it working in the system build. If you're looking to build 2 systems in one case for the Phanteks and Deluxe 2 like I am, which I checked out that case in the previous video, you will have to get this power supply because that case only supports a single PSU. They also have a 1200 watt Revolt X power supply if you need a little more juice, but yeah, that's been it for the unboxing and first look at this power supply, because this is the first time I've ever laid my eyes and hands on this, and it will be going into a PC build very soon. So remember, like and subscribe to see the finished build, which will be coming up hopefully by this month, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!